Who doesn't love an eye makeup which can be created in 2 minutes only? Hi, my name is Roshni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to create this pink color, very beautiful eyeshadow eye makeup. This pink color eye makeup is really pretty. It goes with your ethnic and western outfit as well. So without wasting any time, let's directly get into the video. First, for the transition color, I'm using this soft brown color eyeshadow and blend it well. For the crease area, I'm using this beautiful pink color eyeshadow and mix it pretty well with my transition color. Now, just to add some glamour to my eye makeup, I'm using this pink color glitter on my eyelid. Same color of eyeshadow I have applied to my lower waterline. Now, to highlight my eye look and my eyebrows, I am using golden color highlighter to my inner corner eyes and my eyebrow. It's time to apply some kajal to my eyes. I am tightlining with this black color kajal and I will apply same kajal to my lower and upper waterline. As you can see, I have hooded eyes, so there's a different technique to apply eyeliner and kajal to hooded eyes. I have created a small eyeliner with the same kajal. It's time to finish up the eye makeup with some mascara. You are welcome to use false eyelashes. This time I am finishing it with the mascara only. This is the final look. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back with some new video next time. Till then, take care and bye. Thank you for watching.